Hey guys, this is me, Gravedigger, and this is all the people had totally signed up. I'm gonna reveal the 4 mystery trucks. What I'm gonna do, let's begin with the trucks and the drivers. Me, inside the Gravedigger the Legend. My sister, 9886, and the Son of a Digger. My friend, Zack Attack 386 inside the Captain America. Monster Jam fan inside the Gravedigger. Joseph Nelson inside the first ever Gravedigger. Camera G inside the Max D. Where is he? Oh, here he is. Rocks 9890 inside the Arnella. Isaac G inside the Avenger. Who is that guy? Oh, Machi Jam in 321 inside the Thrasher. His brother. Who's Fireball 484 inside Captain's Curse. Angel Western inside Wolverine. Dan and Josh inside the Time Flies. Alex S, I let you pick Shocker. Little Cat, you really like Backdraft? I will give you Backdraft. WE5155, I give you Team Hot Wheels Firestorm. Super JR12, I give you King Crunch. Anna Bernard, I will give you Mohawk Warrior. Gideon Bernard, I will give you Crusader, your pastime, and only they picked this truck for a reason. U.S. Air Force Outburn, Jimmy Barrows. The Count Mischief is Scott Brill, Iron Man's Lego Fan 506, Grinder, Era's Turn. Fullborn is Gamers 39XD. I don't know, I'm so sorry guys. Monster Truck Videos inside the Backwards Bob. Jimmy Bug inside the Bulldozer. And the Wire Nestor 323 inside the Raptor. Now I'm gonna reveal the Mitch Truck. Max D Fan 105. You get Airborne Ranger. Mystery truck number 2 is Catcher Deagle. I was in the silent episode, but you get Blue Thunder. My old truck, I got it. We got Ghostface truck number 3. Ranger Ting Storm inside. He got El Toro Loco. So El Toro Loco's kind of cool, guys. So, yeah. Next is Mystery truck number 4 is WWE Champion 86. I give you this truck. Sam. So yeah. This will come on Sunday. So I cancel on Monday because I'm not gonna be here. Yeah, so I will see you guys on Sunday. So peace out.